Namaskar. So in this BSc IPF series of special series of bank recapitalization bond, we have seen four videos broadly explaining the concept. Now, where exactly is the problem between the three players? Who are the three players? The government, which is the owner also of the bank and which is also issuing those zero coupon recapitalization bonds. The bank itself, Punjab and Sind Bank in this case, and RBI, which is again a government entity but a very strong and independent government regulator, and says I don't quite like the smell of this. So let's try to understand what's happening. Typically a particular zero coupon bond has to be issued at a discount. We have seen that. Now let's see what's happening. Some people are saying it's a great innovation where it is using rupees 100 to create an impact of 200 in the economy. So let us try. This is double. So let us try to see why somebody is saying that. The market value of this will be around 2,750 crores, but it will be valued at cost of 5,500 crores. So pay attention to what this creative sort of accounting is happening here. 5,500 rupees, 5,500 crores is the issued amount. So government has taken 5,500 crore from the bank as a zero coupon bond. It's issued at a par, so therefore it's at face value. So 5,500 crores have come to the government, and government has given that 5,500 crores back to the bank, and therefore the equity capital, and therefore so now because that 5,500 crore is there, now the bank is saying, now pay attention, the bank is saying we will value these bonds at 5,500 crores in our books of accounts. Can you see this? The market, and will value the bond at cost of 5,500 crores. The bank is saying, okay, we have given 5,500 crores and we will value it at 5,500. RBI comes in. RBI says, you may hold the bond to maturity. That's okay. H2M, we have seen H2M. But at a discount rather than face value. Pay attention, pay very close attention to the fine opposing views of what's happening, and this is where a good student of finance will get engrossed. So bank says we will value it at 5,500 crores. RBI says no, you can't value at face value, you will have to value at a discount. Now why is RBI saying this? Why is RBI saying this, that you need to value it at a discount? Because this is not an arm's length sort of a transaction, because who will give money 5,500 rupees? Will you give me 5,500 rupees for let's say 5 years or 10 years, and after 10 years I'll again give you the same amount, 5,500 rupees. I won't give you anything more than no interest on that. Will anyone do this kind of a thing, that you are giving money for 10 years to somebody at zero interest and then again you are taking it? So RBI says this is where we have a problem, and RBI and the word here is the structure has to be reworked. It is bad accounting. It is bad accounting. It sets a precedent. You can't create equity out of thin air. You can't create equity out of thin air. What RBI says, you might have done whatever between you and the government. You gave 5,500 crores, the government issued bond. When it comes to valuing, we will consider it as RBI. We will say, no, these are zero coupon bonds. These have a market value of 2,750 crores. On maturity, you will get your 5,500 crores. Therefore, you will value them at 2,750 crores and not 5,500 crores. Therefore, the equity infusion which has happened in your books will not be of 5,500 crores, but will be of 2,750 crores. Very interesting dialogue, very interesting points of views of different entities. And now let's see, it's the matter is still there, but this is what the issue is. RBI says value it at discount, and therefore equity will be 2,750 equity infusion. Punjab and Sind Bank says, look, we'll value it at cost. So that's what is it can't be abused as an instrument. RBI is not very impressed with this kind of a thing. It's a great innovation by the government, some people are saying, but some people are saying this is a financial illusion. So who whether you as the viewer of this video come in the illusion category or come in the innovation category, that's open to you. But this is what is the broad thing of which has happened. Now in the last video we will just sum it all up, but this is the point of contention and this is the issue of the zero coupon bonds of Punjab and Sindh Bank. Thank you very much for watching videos of 6 video series on this particular topic in English, Hindi and Marathi, brought to you by BSc IPF. So in the comments, thank all of them. Thank you very much.